Truveta Symposium is our annual event where we bring together these incredible researchers across healthcare, life sciences, and public health to really pursue this mission of saving lives with data together.
This is the time we get to talk about how we could impact the bigger picture in terms of how can Truveta be utilized for clinical trial development? How can we understand how we bring in more representative samples into that clinical trial? How are we going to superpower our data with further advances in large language models and AI?
We need to change the way we do clinical research because that's how we need to improve patient care. It's how we change public health. This is a company that, from my perspective, is doing the right things to actualize that vision, and I wanted to have a chance to be here and learn about how is that getting done and where is it going in the future.
Everyone is excited to talk about how we can do these interesting research studies in Truveta data.
It's always useful to see what other folks are doing with real-world data.
It's the concept of how you might be able to apply and tap into the data that's particularly exciting.
We're able to have these conversations about what could be possible in the future. How could we apply the methods that were discussed in some of the panel presentations to impact patient care sooner?
I look forward to these opportunities to network and meet other individuals, figure out what's interesting from their perspective.
It's pretty exciting, the potential to create some partnership through conversations that are occurring here.
It's really enlightening to see all the different analyses that can be done and have been done in all these different disease states.
A lot of what I'm excited about is just seeing what else Truveta is doing and how they're making the system smoother and easier to use.
It is such a unique event where health systems, life sciences, and Truveta are all banded together to further discovery, to understand how can we all work together to further the mission of saving lives with data.
It's clear that Truveta has a vision and a mission that is extremely aspirational. They're executing on that mission and vision, which is truly remarkable.
It's going to take people who can see beyond the existing horizon, and that's what we need.
We have so much more opportunity at Truveta Symposium to think about that big vision and see what others are doing that allow us to stand on each other's shoulders to make that vision a reality.
To have this incredible group of like-minded researchers together to pursue our mission of saving lives with data is so inspiring.